In today's video, I'm reviewing a 2016 Mazda CX-5. This is the first generation model of the CX-5, which was produced from 2013 to 2016. It also saw a minor refresh for the 2016 model year. The second generation CX-5 came out in 2017 and is still in production. Now, the Mazda CX-5 was a replacement for the outdated Mazda Tribute and CX-7 SUVs and does a really nice job filling the gap that was left with the conclusion of those two models. Now, the CX-5 is the middle child in Mazda's SUV lineup, sitting between the CX-3 and the CX-9 SUVs. It competes head-to-head with the Toyota Rav4, the Honda CRV, and the Subaru Forester. Now, what really sets the CX-5 apart from its competition is that it has a really nice premium exterior style, nice high-quality materials on the interior, and offers a really sporty drive. In terms of styling, the CX-5 is one of the most attractive SUVs in this compact SUV segment, with a really sporty upscale appearance. And with the refresh that they did in 2016, really refined the look that came on the original first generation models of the CX-5 and just continued to enhance that overall look. And you'll see, looking around as we walk the vehicle, that it's got a really nice overall appearance. This is the Grand Touring trim package, which offers a really nice level of additional features and upgrades. We'll get into some more of those on the interior of the vehicle. But one of the primary changes that you get with that package is it's got an upgraded wheel set from the base models. Gives it a nice look. See that this model comes with dual exhaust. There are two engine options. I'll get into some more details on that, but this model does have the upgraded 2.5 liter four-cylinder. Rails up on the roof. Now, the Mazda Tribute was basically the same as the Ford Escape. And with that, it was a very boxy vehicle, not real dynamic in terms of styling or drive quality. CX-7 was a little bit of an improvement in those terms, but the CX-5 is really kind of taken a whole new approach with a much more modern appearance and really great driving dynamics. This model also comes with that sunroof. And jumping into the vehicle, you'll see that Mazda's done a really nice job on the interior of the CX-5. Again, this is the Grand Touring model, so it comes heavily loaded, but you'll see that it's got a very attractive style. I've got a Audi Q5, a 2013 model, and I'm very impressed comparing those two vehicles. The Tribute obviously isn't quite on par with the Audi, but given the much higher price point on the Q5, the CX-5 offers a really nice level of refinement at this price range. Starting price on a brand new CX-5 is just over $24,000. Of course, that increases with the addition of options. Going through some of the options on this vehicle, or features anyway, we've got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, power seats. Got audio controls on the steering wheel, cruise control, dual zone climate control. We've also got heated seats for both the driver and the passenger. Got a nice large infotainment screen up above, controlled with this dial. Again, this is very similar to the Audi MMI system. Really nice interface, very easy to use, and you can control all of the vehicle functions through that system. It's got a sport mode here with the flick of that button. And then you'll see that it also has an electronic parking brake. Nice sleek look, and it saves some space. This model also comes with navigation. The seats have a nice sporty profile to them, plenty of side support, and just a nice overall appearance. Of course, they're also very comfortable. Also, I'm a fan of the steering wheel. It's got that tri-spoke, little gap in the middle on the nice aluminum or stainless steel accent on there. Gives a nice look. And throughout the cabin, again, you'll see there's plenty of nice accents throughout. It seems like maybe they have taken some of the design language from the Audi lineup and carried it into their models, as they have a lot in common. This model also comes with the Bose sound system, and so it has really great sound characteristics. It's my favorite stock system available from any brand on the market. Jumping into the back seat, nice and spacious. The center armrest here in the middle with cup holders. So little storage containers here on the doors. Again, could fit another water bottle or something on that side. And just a quick view from the back seat. Get a nice view of that front dash. Again, you'll see it's got a very attractive appearance to it. With the pull of this lever right here, we can fold these seats down. The seat there in the way, I've only got one hand to work with, but those do fold flat, so it's pretty easy to increase the cargo capacity in the rear if you've got some larger items. And jumping around to the back. Again, for a vehicle that's considered a compact SUV, it's got a pretty good amount of space back here. Plenty of cargo area, especially with the ability to fold down those seats. And you can see that they split in 3 sections, so you can fold down either the middle seat, passenger side, or driver side. And so it gives you some flexibility there. If you need to fit something through the middle and still want to use those back 2 seats, you have that ability. Likewise, you could fold one of the sides down, keep the middle up. The CX-5 is offered neither front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, and on the front-wheel drive versions you have a choice of either a 2-liter 4-cylinder with 155 horsepower or a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with 184 horsepower. Manual versions will get an EPA rating of 26 in the city, 34 on the highway, while automatics will sit at 26 in the city and 33 on the highway. All-wheel drive versions of the CX-5 are only available with the 2.5-liter 4-cylinder and see an EPA rating of 24 in the city and 29 on the highway. So first of all, getting into the CX-5, it definitely doesn't feel like I'm getting into a Mazda. It feels a lot more like I'm jumping into a BMW or an Audi or a Mercedes, because it's got a really attractive interior, really high quality materials, and just a nice overall style and feel to it. Mazda's done a really nice job giving the CX-5 a very premium feel. My only complaint is that when I'm accelerating, I keep expecting this to be my Q5 because the interior is so nice and refined. It really feels a lot like that vehicle. And so I keep in my mind thinking that it's going to accelerate a little quicker than it is. I've got to keep in mind that this is an entry-level compact SUV coming in at almost half the price of the Q5. It shouldn't be as quick. And with that, you know, it struggles a little bit when you're first taking off, but once you're going, it's got plenty of power, and on top of that, it offers really great fuel economy, sitting in the mid-30s on the highway. And so Mazda's struck a really nice balance in terms of performance and fuel economy on the CX-5. So that's a review of the 2016 Mazda CX-5. It's not as popular in terms of sales volumes as the Toyota Rav4 and the Honda CRV, but it's a really good option that you should definitely consider if you're in the market for a compact SUV. It offers a really attractive style, great interior with really high quality materials, and really good driving characteristics. If you have any comments or questions, leave those in the section below. For more car reviews, subscribe to my channel. In the meantime, thanks for watching.